putting the bed, the doll bed together, snake box.
And before you know
I
it,
have
they're
front
making their
written
own
on the
hot
Velcro.
sauce, and they're doing this
Here's
and
a
that.
dust ruffle.
They got their foot so deep, and it is.
And I
not
also
an
have
obsession,
front
but they're
written
making
on
money.
2 of the spots. So, take and attach the Velcro all the way around. That's the bottom of the bed. The inside is for storage. Snap the lid on. Mattress. Mattress cover. Bed sheet, which can also be tucked in at the bottom of the elastic. Pillows. Quilt. And you're ready to go to bed.